Hello guys. I want to show you something. I want to tell you one thing I want to tell you is that losses is important in this market. This video is gonna be very short. Losses is very important in this market because you use it to learn new things and or remind yourself what you have already learned. Now, what I want to talk about right now is the change or how to avoid market changes. Like when there is a change of character in market structure, you should do is start looking to go to another direction. Start looking for the market to go to another direction. Now, this video is not gonna be long. See this market structure. This market structure that I drew here. You can see it. You can see that. I hope you can see it. So we have been going south, right? But at this point, what happened? At we have continued to go south, but at this point there is a change of character here. Let me use this guy. There is a change of character here. Got it? This guy was the last low. You see it? It was the last low. Now there is a change of character there. That area was actually broken out. It came back to change to break it out. So once this kind of thing happens, you know that the market will not just continue immediately to the upside. He need to come back to this low for him to continue to the upside. You understand? He need to come back to this low for him to continue to the upside because you're supposed to be looking for a new direction. So if you should continue to look for this market to continue downwards, yes, you can see if you see a pattern, you can actually trade it to south again. You understand? Actually, I'm still on my bed, so so you can still trade it to the downside. But if this area, if this last low, if this guy that changed this character was not, if have is not taken out, there is no. What you should be doing is continue to look for chart patterns or confirmation to continue to go up or to follow the new direction. Look at what happened here. He came back there, and what happened? He didn't break the guy because look at it. He didn't even came up to this level. He went, I think, around this area. Look at what happened there. You can see, you can see that. So he came and let me minimize so that you can see what I'm talking about. Do you see where he stopped? Look at this guy. Look at where this guy stopped. So he didn't break. Assuming he broke out this guy that changed the character, we'll say that okay, we'll continue to the downside. But he didn't break it. He started rallying to the upside, and he went came back to actually change here. So what you should be looking at right now is not to trade this market again to the downside. This market want to go and meet another target, which maybe is there, maybe the minor this minor target is what it's looking at. So you should be looking at what to trade this market to the upside. Like I told you, when you lost in the market, then you got what you get. You actually learn new ways, new things. So losses is more than important in this market. So because when you lose, you get what new ideas, you learn new things. Look at it. So I'm in loss in this market because I entered this market trading it to the downside. You understand? My target was here, but I've actually learned a new thing now because the way I'm seeing this market, look at this the things confirmation that is forming around that area. You can see those confirmations because this is a minor target. Look at those confirmations. Look at it's even broken even even on the trend line as well. So look at it. So and you see it's pointing to the upside. And look at so this one is if you switch it, you see that there is inverse head and shoulders here. There is W here. Everything is pointing to the upside, telling you that he want to continue a new trend right now. So let me still show you on gold. Let me still show you something on gold. Look at gold here. This one should be a very short video. Now look how gold has been going to the downside. Let's see. Okay, let's start from here. Let me minimize it. So now look at gold. Gold has been going to the upside, right? Has been going to the upside, but at some point here, okay, he has been going to the upside. Now he came back. He have been coming to the downside. Look at it. This one have been moving to the downside. Now he came. He came here. This guy went and changed this character because this is the guy that formed the last low. So he went back to do what? To break him. Now he came back, he didn't even take this guy out again. What you should be looking at right now is what patterns to continue to the new trend. And you can see what is happening. Gold is massively rallying the upside. I hope you understand what I mean here. The exact or the new trend of the market. Look at it. Let me show you again. Wait. He has been going down. Now this guy came and changed because this is the last low that last high that took out the last low here. He took it out here. You understand? But he came to change it. Now the market have to come back to give you a discount before he do what he rally, and that's what he did, and actually what is happening right now to the upside. So once there is a change of character in the market, start changing your own. The market is telling you change your direction. Change your direction. Don't continue that same direction I've been going. I want to go another direction. Alright guys, that is it for now. Thank you. If you've not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. You can see I'm even still on my bed, still sleeping, but I have to drop this for you guys. Alright. Click the subscribe button. Also turn on notifications so that once I drop new videos, you'll be one of first to see them. Bye for now.